Description: provides lasting moisture and protection from recurring dryness, which fortifies, reconstructs and enhances resilience. Benefits: seals the cuticle, while creating a perfectly cared for hair condition. Suggested use: smooths hair for long-lasting manageability, control and shine. Top reviews from the United States. Dry damage to salon quality look feel. This is the best fast-acting hair mask I've ever tried, and being born with dry frizzy curly hair. I've tried them all. After one use, silky, shiny, manageable, less frizz, healed some split ends and looks and feels like I stepped out of a salon. Picture is after one use, left on for couple hours. Used 3 days after a 2-day-long double bleaching then dye session to go from black, my roots, to level 9 blonde to silver. Not sure if it translates in the picture, and wish I had a pic before, but buy this. Amazing for the price, ADIT works wonders.